Hi lovelies! This video is about how to apply an eyeliner like a pro using my all-time favorite Kat Von D tattoo liner. I have used many different eyeliners before, but the micro nib of this eyeliner is very sharp and fine. This is my go-to liner for a quick makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into this. Making a very fine straight line first, we will move back to the middle of the eyelid to join the line in the middle of the very first line drawn. We are gradually going to build in the line and make it more visible and thick. We are also going to apply the eyeliner in the inner corner of your eye to give the fox eye look we want. It's going to give a very sharp and defined look to the eye as well. And that's how the final look is going to be before applying the mascara. I have now applied the eyeliner to my second eye as well. I have used Benefit's Pat Go Bang Mascara to finish off the look. And that's about it. Quick and easy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye girls!